Hi everyone, Micah here at 𝗪𝗁. One of the most common questions I get asked by contractors is, what's a typical residential metal roof package cost? We handle manufacturing, so we're not going to address labor costs, but today I'll walk you through a simple way to ballpark materials. Now I'm talking about our most common combination. That's a 16-inch lock seam panel in 26-gauge steel. These panels, also known as standing seam, they snap over each other so you hide the fasteners. Compare that to a panel on a barn that has exposed fasteners. All those screw points you see are potential leak points. When I say roof package, I'm talking about the panels, all the trim around the edges, the screws, basic accessories like pipe boots, underlayment that goes on the plywood, and local delivery. For most projects, you're safe to start at around $300 per square. We're talking about averages here. A larger, straightforward gabled roof with minimal accessories might get down to $270, but a smaller, more complex roof, hips, dormers, valleys, the trim becomes a bigger factor and it can push it closer to $400 a square or more. Underlayment is essential, starting off with the basic nail down, about $30 a square. Upgrade to an insulated thermal break at $50 a square, also nails down. And then we get into the peel and stick. This is a waterproof version. That's $80 a square. So you got your $300 baseline versus a $320 or a $350 baseline. The way you bent your ridge cavity also affects, because you do want to block that snow, rain from going up under there into the hole at the peak of the roof. And you can do that with the basic way, a mesh, kind of like a filter, think of it. Or you have this, which has the mesh filter inside, a perforated Z. So here's the quick recap. Plan on around $300 per square for a basic lock seam roof package. For more complex roofs with top-tier accessories, it could be upwards of $500 per square. Ballparking has its limits, but this range gives you a solid starting place before you request that detailed quote. Contractors, shoot me a line and I'll send you a spreadsheet comparing more options like 26 gauge versus 24 gauge. And of course, anyone, homeowner or contractor, if you have a project, send us over measurements like bird's eye view, eagle view, something to where we can put together a full roof package. Thanks for watching. This is Metal Micah signing off from 𝗪𝗁 Industries. We'll see you next time.